Hey y'all, we are back. Today we are trying the Danessa MyRICKS Balm Contour. So it's another cream-like product, and I would guess technically this is not a bronzer, this is called a contour. Anytime it's called a cream contour, I kind of drop it into the bucket of being a bronzer as well, because cream products tend to be a little bit more forgiving. In my opinion. I have shade medium number 3. If you're not familiar with Danessa MyRICKS, she is a black beauty guru. She's a black makeup artist. Her products are carried in Sephora if you're interested. She just recently had a sale on her own website, and that's when I picked this up because I have been eyeing it for a little bit. This is actually my first product from Danessa MyRICKS that I am trying. I have not tried any of her products before, so I'm excited to see how this works. Normally with contour, you are contouring along the hollows of your cheek, whereas bronzer, I feel like you can pull it up and get away with having it a little bit up higher on your cheekbone. So they instruct you to apply it like where you would a traditional contour, along the hollows of your cheek, hairline, and on your jawline as well. And it comes in 8 shades. So I have medium 3. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, medium 3 just looks like me. Like, it looks like my skin tone. I did buy this online, so if it's not the right shade, and I also bought it from her website, so I don't know what her return policy is. If it's not the right shade, I might just have to eat it. I have some picked up, and I'm just gonna start to dab it along my... I was right. This is like me. This is like my shade. That's why it says like me. But I'm gonna keep trying. The only reason why I didn't get a shade that was darker is because I did not want to I didn't want to accidentally get something that was too dark and too difficult to work with. But this is very close to my skin tone, and it might just also be because it's summer right now. My skin naturally is a little bit darker. I have a little bit of a something going on here, but I'm really gonna have to clean up or like make a sharp line with concealer or setting powder or something to really like get some definition here. But that's neither here nor there. That's a miss on my part. It's not anything to do with the product. Just from my initial application, it doesn't give me like anything like spectacular outside of like the other cream bronzers slash contours that I have used before. It's not like, oh, this is like so super creamy. It's falling in line. I feel like the cream contour formula has been kind of mastered by everyone. Like, they've all kind of figured out what that formula is, what people like, and everybody's sort of going with it when it comes to like consistency and how it lays on the skin. This does lay really nice on the skin. Danessa MyRICKS is known for doing like very nice skin-like finishes with foundation and things like that from what I have seen from her online. So I got the wrong shade, so don't let that deter you from purchasing the product. I still think it's a very good contour. I do think you could think of it in the same vein as a bronzer. Only reason I say that is, like I mentioned before, I feel like cream contours lend themselves to being a little bit more forgiving than like traditional contours. But I can't, you know, vouch for that 100% with this product because I got the wrong shade. So overall, I do think it is pretty good. Like you can see here, my face is looking a little chalky. My contour slash bronzer is like pretty light. Overall, I think the product is pretty good for what it is. Do I think it's the end all be all and you need it? No. But if you are looking for a nice black owned product like that, you could definitely check that out. So yeah, I would oh, my lash done lifted, y'all. My lash done lifted. If you're my shade, don't get medium number 3. That's not your shade. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.